What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And tonight, I'm actually about to head on over to Ace Cafe for one of the Central Florida Z Club meets. We'll see if anybody there got the new Z. Check out, see if any queues are there, and just check out how the squad is. It's been a while since I went to one of their meets, so yeah. Without further ado, let's go ahead and head on over there. But yeah, the meet itself has already started. Actually, it's starting right now, so, and it's about an hour for me to get over there, so it should be well underway by the time I get there. I guess I could do a cold start. Car ain't been on for a minute, so let's go ahead. So we're getting creative with the parking, but I'm here. Somebody's gonna be probably parking right here, so I'll be boxed in for a little bit, but we'll see. But they lining people up here. They said I could park here, but I felt like I'd have been sticking out a little too much. Plus, they rolled in, looked like it was a squad, so I didn't want to get in the way. Huh. This is open now. Could have parked right here. Alright, saw the GTR over there. Yeah, let me just go down the line. You go ahead.
I don't want to be in your video.
Okay, no problem. You're welcome. That's clean. Yeah, these are definitely clean. Gotta love the right-hand drive. And by now, you guys know the drill. Let me know what your favorite car is. Also, if you see your car, your homie's car, shout it out. Let them know. Yeah, that's dope.
He did tell the other cars, so it's just a matter of them coming around.
Very clean. Excuse me. How you doing? Got a couple around. Got the Supra. Let's go on the back end first. Supra's cool. Got another Z over there. The Altima. Got the rear ends. Looking good. We got some off-roading action over here. Very nice. good back there. Oh, got another Q50. We're back full circle, so we'll hit up the front here. Oh, didn't see this car, it just parked next to me.
And like a good, give us 5 months. We got an X3. Give us a good 5 months. I have the fastest X3.
It's funny, it's a small world. You know, it was the homie pulling up, homie Kyle. But yeah, he pulled up right. Real clean. Alright, let's start doing this side. We got some more to do up front as well. And if I don't show your car much love, it's not intentional. I'm trying to make sure I do get everybody. Sometimes I can't help but stop or show some more. Sometimes I get lost in thought, so forgive me for that. Thank you. Got this Q60. Looking good with the white interior. Almost my car twin. Looks good. There's a lot of potential here. I need to get me one of them. There you go.
Yeah, I do.
We got some spots opening up out here.
Whose car is it?
It's an A5.
I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna walk.
Oxymoron. Have you ever seen an oxymoron?
Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna walk. That's exactly why I'm gonna walk away. Holy shit. Bro, you did him dirty. You did him dirty.
I do have a Z though.
You have a Z? Right here.
Sheesh. One of my favorites. That's an older Z. See, the 2 spots didn't last long. Angle though. Aha. First time seeing one in person.
Sure. In the front, aluminum brace down from the
Yes,
from the radiator
strengthen
mount.
it and keep it.
Yeah, because otherwise,
I thought that's what it said. Got a little 12.
Why we want to do layer game. Front look.
That's pretty dope. Alright, so we have a lot of people rolling out now. Let me get out there, wait. But yeah, it's I think a successful event. Definitely dope seeing everybody and linking up with a few of the homies. Definitely, when it's unexpected, I feel like it's a little more special sometimes. But it's wind down time. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. But before we go ahead and end this one, I wanna go ahead and do the comment of the day. And the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. And who knows, you could be next. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. And as always, stay fitted. Peace.